In this video we will talk about oregano, the amazing health benefits of oregano, oregano oil, benefits of oregano leaves. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Health benefits of oregano. Oregano is a wonderful herb that can be used for both medicinal and cooking purposes. Oregano is popular in kitchens the world over. You can find it dried, in oil, or fresh. No matter how you consume it, oregano has some pretty cool health benefits. Oregano is a herb with olive green leaves and purple flowers. It grows 1 to 3 feet tall and is closely related to mint, thyme, marjoram, basil, sage, and lavender. Oregano oil. Why is oil of oregano so special? It is composed of pure olive oil infused with a concentration of oregano that is 85% carvacrol, which is extremely antiseptic. Thymol is another antiseptic that works synergistically with carvacol, along with 50 other antiseptic and healing compounds. The result is an amazingly broad number of healing properties with applications throughout the body. Oil of oregano is a natural, broad-spectrum antibiotic. This means that even if you don't know where an infection originates, the oil of oregano will find and attack it. Besides this, it is antiviral, antifungal, anti-parasite and a remedy for yeast candida overgrowth. These wonderful properties make it effective in curing and relieving innumerable maladies, including allergies, arthritis, back pain, boils, bruises, congestion, contusion, cysts, ear infection, infections, flu, food poisoning, fungus, headaches, muscle pains, otitis media, parasites, pneumonia, sinusitis, sprains UTI. Health benefits of using oregano. It's full of antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that help to fight against the damage in the body done by free radicals. If free radicals build up in your body, they may contribute to chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. The antioxidants present in oregano can neutralize the free radicals and possibly reduce your risk of disease. Treats common cold. Oregano also offers antiseptic qualities and is used in many herbal medicines to treat symptoms of the cold. Consume water with a few drops of oregano oil or oregano leaves infused herbal tea to relieve the symptoms of a sore throat. Relieves menstrual cramps. Oregano is an effective pain reliever. Chew fresh oregano leaves or add them to the tea to tackle painful menstrual cramps and avoid effects of menopause. They can fight bacteria and viruses. Oregano essential oil has been found in laboratory tests to help block the growth of certain types of bacteria. Still, other studies have found that oregano is effective in fighting over 23 different types of bacteria. Reducing inflammation. Inflammation occurs in the body as a natural response to injury or illness. But chronic inflammation is now thought to be a huge contributor to chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and certain autoimmune diseases. Oregano is high in antioxidants, which can help to reduce inflammation. In animal studies, oregano oil has been shown to reduce markers of chronic inflammation, which is quite promising. Anti-cancer benefits. Based on many trials, it has been found that oregano has a positive effect on preventing the growth and formation of cancer cells. In one of the test tube trial, it was found that colon cancer can be treated with oregano extract as it helped to not only prevent the growth of cancer cells but also killed them off. Relieves inflammation. Carvacrol present in oregano possesses the anti-inflammatory property and can be used to restrict development of diabetes and many autoimmune diseases. Controls intestinal parasites. Intestinal parasites increase the risk of serious gastrointestinal problems and lead to intestinal discomfort. Thymol and carvacrol present in oregano are beneficial to treat intestinal parasites without any side effects. Antibacterial property. Oregano oil has been studied to restrict the growth of 23 bacterial species including Escherichia coli and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Healthy heart. Oregano is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, potassium and can reduce inflammation, lower the risk of heart problems, regulates blood pressure and heart rate. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.